Here at Mercedes-Benz Barrie, we know that health and safety is a priority to you, and that's why we offer a 3-step deep clean and disinfection process. Here's what's included. The first step of this process includes clearing out the HVAC system. The HVAC system is responsible for bringing all the air into the cabin. So if you suffer from seasonal allergies, following this step of the process is especially beneficial for you because this step removes all of the decontaminants from the vehicle. We use a specially formulated foam that removes contaminants from the surface of the evaporator core. This process is much more effective than cleaners sprayed throughout the vents. The second step is what we call Odor Be Gone, and this removes any odors associated with tobacco smoke or things like mold and mildew. For this, we use a special application tool that atomizes the product into a dense fog, which is then injected throughout the HVAC system and fused into all porous material inside the vehicle, such as carpets, seats, and headliner. Other odors that this step helps to remove include pet dander, bacteria, and most other biological contaminants. And the third and final step is just a simple general disinfectant that ensures every nook and cranny is clean. For more information about pricing, see your Mercedes-Benz Barrie service advisor.